Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 82 horsepower. It's only done 9,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.